Hello everyone from Tony the Scargos. Today I'm very happy to try the new Oculus Avatars system that, as you can see, offer this amazing feature of the lip tracking. So it's not a true lip tracking, it's an emulation of the movement of the lips giving what I'm saying to you. And it's fantastic because even if there is not a lip tracking device, the emulation is quite good. Of course, it's not perfect. I can spot that he is not moving the the lips in a perfect way, but it's good. And another feature new in this version is that my avatar has emulation of eye movement. And now I'm rotating my head while looking straight at the mirror, and my avatar is doing the same. And there is not eye tracking inside my Rift, so it's all AI, all great work by Oculus in emulating my eye's position. And also I can spot that my alter ego is performing some subtle linker expression that matches a bit what I do. So this avatar is far more realistic than the one that was before, and there are also more customization options that were not available before. So it's really good. There are more facial hair, more different clothing. I chose this super elegant one, but you could really pick whatever. I can also customize my eye, my eyelashes. There are lots of really hair to choose from. But I like this. I customize it to be super like me and it's also super elegant, as you can see. Yeah, I love this update of Oculus Avatars, and I also think that seeing what they're doing behind the curtains, we read all the article about what is happening in Facebook Reality Labs. They were working on hyper realistic avatars. So I really can't wait to see what will be the next update on Oculus Avatar. For now, I thank you for watching, like, subscribe, and thank you. Goodbye.